ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಸ್ಮಿತಾ. ನನ್ನ ಸ್ಮಿತಾಶಶಿ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತಿರುವಂತಹ 2025ರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕಾನ್ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನವು ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ 9ರಿಂದ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇವಾಗ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. 9ರಿಂದ 13ರವರೆಗೆ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನ ಕೇಂದ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತಿದೆ. ಇದು ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಏಷ್ಯಾದ ಅತಿ ದೊಡ್ಡ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಸಲಕರಣೆಗಳ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನವಾಗಿದ್ದು, ಮೂಲಸೌಕರ್ಯ ವಲಯದ ನವೀನ ತಂತ್ರಜ್ಞಾನ ಮತ್ತು ವ್ಯಾಪಾರ ಅವಕಾಶಗಳನ್ನು ಇದು ಪ್ರದರ್ಶಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
One on the dais to kindly line up for a photograph.
Okay.
And to unveil the coffee table book.
Always the same guy. Now.
Thank you to our dignitaries for unveiling the coffee table book. May I also request the steering committee members of Excon 2025 to join our dignitaries on the stage for a group photograph capturing this moment of collective effort and collaboration.
Just let me know in case if you have any problem. So we have been supporting, so we will get.
Nearby the registration.
Back way. It's a few minutes of gathering and hope, but we welcome everybody to Excon, and Excon this year is, like every year, is the biggest. Every year we are saying that this is the biggest ever, and this is the biggest ever again. And this is one exhibition which we began in 2000 actually, and I've been associated with the first exhibition onwards, so this have a strong emotional connect also with me, and so always great to be here. And I just really wanted to congratulate the two chairs of the Excon, Mukandan and Deepak, both of whom have led, and the two institutions, CII and the ICMA, a phenomenal joint venture, if I may say, to lead up to this such a phenomenal exposition. And I must also really thank the steering committee for their guidance and for letting it become such a huge power in itself, Excon, in the world. So my congratulations and thanks to all the steering committee members, the chairs, and the exhibitors and the visitors. So ladies and gentlemen, we look forward to your participation in very, very many ways and making this the next few days joyous amongst these various dance shows that we will see of the construction equipment. So thank you and welcome.
Thank you, Mr. Banerjee, for your valuable words. May I now call upon Mr. R. Mukundan, Chairman of Excon 2025, President Designate CII, to share his thoughts with us.
ಮತ್ತು ಇದರ ಆಯೋಜಕರು ಕಾನ್ಫೆಡರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ. ಇದನ್ನು ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಯಂತ್ರಗಳು, ಸಲಹೆಗಳು, ತಂತ್ರಜ್ಞಾನಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಹಾಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದಂಗೆ ಮೂಲಸೌಕರ್ಯ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಮುಖ ಪ್ರವೃತ್ತಿಗಳನ್ನು ರಚಿಸಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಮತ್ತು ಮೂಲಸೌಕರ್ಯ ವಲಯದ ಖರೀದಿದಾರರು, ಗುತ್ತಿಗೆದಾರರು, ಹೂಡಿಕೆದಾರರು, ವಿತರಕರು ಮತ್ತು ಉದ್ಯಮದ ನಿರ್ಧಾರ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳುವವರು ಸಮಗ್ರ ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಪಡೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಬಹುದು. Excon is a prominent trade fair for the construction industry in South Asia, held every 2 years in Bangalore. India Excon provides a platform for construction equipment manufacturers, component suppliers, and services providers to showcase their product and service. Excon cover a wide range of products and services related to the construction industry, including earth moving equipment, material handling equipment, construction vehicles, construction tools and accessories, building materials, and much more. The event also features conference seminars and panel discussion that proved valuable insight into the industry's current and future trends.